guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing packages from the previous week, and it has been a little while since I filmed. If you guys keep up with me through Instagram and Snapchat and stuff like that, we were at Disney for a very long time. We had so much fun, but I'm super excited to be back and we have a lot of packages to go through. So anyways, really quick before we get started, if you're new, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls every single Monday. And I'm pretty sure this coming Wednesday is when I'm doing a huge Sephora holiday kits haul, and it's going to be a really big giveaway, so make sure to stay tuned. But anyways, I'm excited to dive in, so let's get started. So first we are going to start with this huge package that came over from Jouer. And you guys, I have not opened any of these. I think there's maybe one that I've opened in the next couple mail hauls, so it's all going to be exciting. So it says Jouer, and then it says Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. And it sounded like there were a couple things rumbling around in here. Yes, it looks like a few of the shades may have came out. So here's what the package looks like. As you can see, it is their new high coverage concealers, and they literally sent every single shade, so I'm very excited about that. They also sent over a brush as well, and this launches on Tuesday. So let's go ahead and open one up. So the first thing I want to go through is this brush. So it is a clear handle. It says Jouer on it, and this looks like the perfect concealer brush. It is super like kabuki style, kind of big. I don't like really small concealer brushes, so I'm really excited about that one. And then let's see. I think Creme Brulee sounds like it might be my shade. I'm not sure because I'm just going by what the packaging looks like. So the packaging is a blown glass container. It has Jouer on it. And then the top of it has Jouer all over it with their symbol. So first thing, this concealer looks like it is going to be a very full coverage. Here is a few little swipes, and let's kind of like smooth it out. I can already tell just by like putting it on my hand that I'm really going to like the consistency. It's very creamy and a very full coverage, which we know I love. Ooh, I'm excited. So that was the shade Creme Brulee right there. I'm not sure the retail price on it, but I know if the formula is anything like their foundations, I'm going to love it because I live for their foundations. So good. So thank you so much to Jouer for that package. The next package we have came from Lilah B. And I believe this brand may be at Sephora, if I'm not mistaken. So it says, with less, you are more. So I wonder if that means they have like more natural products. I'm really not sure. Okay, so it says, hey Danielle, hope you enjoy our All You Need Discovery Set. Can't wait to hear what you think. And then they sent over this little packet that just talks about the products. And here's what the Discovery Set looks like. So it's a bag and it comes with 3 different products. Really nice bag too. So the first one says Divin Duo Lip and Cheek. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. So here's what it looks like, and it's actually pretty dang heavy. Ooh, okay. And then this slides up, and this is a lip and cheek product. I really like the packaging. It's actually really cool. Okay. Okay, the next thing that we have is the Flawless Finish Foundation. And I guess this is, yeah, like a powder foundation. So here's what that looks like, and let's just go ahead and rub our finger in it. It feels very, very smooth. It's probably a little bit too light for me right now, but there's that. I really just love the packaging. It just feels like really high quality, but it's very heavy in a good way. Okay, last thing we have is the Palette Perfection Eye Quad, and then here is what this looks like. I'll give you an up close. You have a really pretty neutral tone eyeshadows. So thank you guys so much for that package, and I cannot wait to try these out. So the next package came from Milk Makeup. They always have the coolest things that they send over. So here's what the box looks like, and I'm gonna put it up. So it says, read between the lines, and this is like an eyeball. Read between the lines, long wear gel eyeliner is here. Ooh, okay, so it like pops open. It says long wear gel eyeliner, and woo, here's what it looks like. So it says drop a line, available $9.18 at Milk Makeup, available $10.5 at Sephora. It says the eyeliner that can stay out until 4 a.m. even if you can't. That is so cute. Okay, so they have a bunch of different colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch one. I really want to swatch the BCC, which is the matte nude. I did like more of a glow today with my makeup, but I feel like it's making me look a little oily. Well, if I can get this out. Okay, come on now. Okay, so here's what the product looks like. And is it double-ended? No. What does this side do? Oh, it's a smudger. And I kept like popping it out. Oops. And then this side is your pencil. Oh yes, that is a really pretty nude. You know, I kind of want to put this on my inner corner. Not inner corner, my waterline. I can't even speak. I mean, normally I have to like get up in my eye to even put eyeliner on. I've never had an eye pencil that was so creamy that I could just go like that and do it. This one is so smooth. Like, I cannot even believe it. I really like that. I'm about to put this pencil up front so I can use it for work. That's really pretty. Let me see if I can roll it back down. Yep. And you have a smudger. So I'm really excited about this. It retails for $22, but again, very, very creamy. This is such a pretty eyeliner too. Milk Makeup has just been killing it lately with all their new releases. I'm definitely going to try out the other shades, and thank y'all so much for that package, and such a cool package too. I need to like find somewhere to put this. Next package is from Kylie Cosmetics, and this is something that I actually ordered. I had been seeing the birthday palette like going around for so long, and I kind of wanted it. There's not much that I want from Kylie Cosmetics. I really feel like it was just kind of overplayed for me, but for some reason the birthday collection I just thought looked really, really pretty, and it looked like a really good travel palette, something that I could like take on trips and it would be something I could use a lot. So it says Sipping Pretty, and here is what it looks like. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. You guys know I love like my browns and like mauve tones, so this is totally up my alley. Let me just swatch a couple shades in it. You know, I kind of want to go for the shimmers first. They actually look really nice, honestly. I mean, I have not used any Kylie eyeshadow palettes like since she really came out with like her first ones, but these shades are actually really pretty. Now let's see about the matte shades, because that's where we can really tell if it's going to be a good palette sometimes. Let's see. Kind of pigmented. I mean, this so far is actually looking really impressive. So there are those four. I'm excited for this. This could be like my go-to travel palette if it works out. I'll have to keep you guys updated. I'm going to the beach this coming weekend, and then we leave for New York shortly after. So I'm actually going to pack this in my travel bag and see how it works. If y'all have tried it, let me know in the comments below. Did you love it? Did you hate it? What did you think? But again, these shades just really spoke to me, and I really wanted something I could use a lot on travel. Because here's what I do. I'm trying to find my makeup removing wipes. What I do is I get so excited about all these palettes that are coming out, and I try to pack a bunch of them on my trip. And then what happens is I end up not using any of them because I have so much stuff. I'm kind of overwhelmed, and then I don't even want to wear makeup. So yeah, I need to pack a little lighter this time. Well, really what happened with Disney was it was so freaking hot. The first day I was like, oh, I want to be cute. And then like 5 minutes into walking in the park, I'm like, no thank you. Let's throw my hair up on top of my head. First thing we have is from Pür Cosmetics. And again, all these are from Octoly. And they sent over this selfie palette. I hope that this is actually the palette. It has like, hopefully y'all can see that. It's like glitter in it. It looks really, really pretty. Okay, it comes with a mascara. I must have opened it on the wrong side. So let me open it on this side. Oh, it is. Look. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it just has like confetti glitter in it. Super fun. Okay, this is also another really good neutral palette that you can kind of make fun looks. I am ready to swipe these, swatch them, whatever. Let me get a little bit closer to the camera. So look how pretty. Okay, so let's do some swatches. Very creamy from the first touch. There's what those three look like. Pretty. The first two are like pretty light, so you can't even really see them that good on me. Let's try some of these darker shades toward the bottom. So here are these four, and here they are swatched, and I'm ready to get a hold of these glitter shades as I'm like trying to wipe my fingers off. So you have two really fun glitter shades. Oh my gosh, these are so reflective. Do you see them? They just, oh my gosh, they have to go on my eyes like immediately. They look so pretty. I wish I didn't have eyeshadow on. I wish that I could put these on right now. Look how gorgeous those are. Shook. They're super duper pretty. So this palette looks absolutely gorgeous. And then you also get a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. And the bronzer's pretty warm tone, but I love a warm tone bronzer. So there are those three. And I'll just kind of like swatch them right here. And then there are those on the arm. The highlighter didn't really show up as much, but might be because my finger was a little bit wet whenever I went to grab it, so it didn't pick up as much. So yeah, there are those right there. And thank you so much to Pür for that package, and to Octoly. I'm like literally tucking my hair behind my ears because I'm so hot that I'm like sweaty and gross. Okay, next Octoly package. So this is from Octoly and Givenchy, and this is a bronzer, and it is the Healthy Glow Powder in the shade 03. Now, I have tried out this bronzer before. I think I have it in a much darker shade, and oh my goodness, it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me just go ahead and show it to you guys. So here is what it looks like. It is a beautiful bronzy shade, and it just has the prettiest glow on the skin. As you can see, like, as my finger like moves around, it just has a beautiful glow. You can use it as an all over face powder really if you are this shade, or you can use it as a bronzer. For me, this is going to be a perfect bronze shade, especially in the winter. It's not too harsh. It blends into the skin and it's just super buttery. So I'm very excited. And again, that is number 03. Very excited to try this out. I will be doing a kind of glow tutorial soon, like a wintertime glow, and I definitely want to use this. This is a product, like I said, I've tried before and I love, love, love. So thank you so much for that package. So next one we have is another one from them, and this is their La Rouge Liquid, and this is a lipstick, and this is the shade 107 Nude. Again, their lipsticks are very creamy. So this is a much taller lipstick. I'm pretty sure the other one that I own is a little bit shorter than this, but their packaging alone is just so beautiful. Ooh, wait, what is this? Okay, so it is a cream, soft matte liquid cream. And it looks like it has like something furry on the end. Can you see that? Let's see here. How do I... Okay, I guess I just twist it. A little bit's coming out. So let's swipe this. Ooh, so here's the color that's coming out. Let me blot my lips. Let's do this on the lips. Okay, I twisted it once or twice around because it was coming out a little bit slower, but oh my goodness, it took a lot out. Sorry. Okay, let's... Well, first off, the color is gorgeous. It is right up my alley. And this formula, I don't even know how to describe it. It literally feels like heaven on the lips. It is so creamy. Oh, I'm gonna have to get more of these at the sale. I think they are sold in, I hope they're sold in Sephora because I'm gonna need some more of these. Yeah, so here is like another swatch on the hand. I kind of took a little bit off of the lipstick. This is just, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, this is going in my everyday purse for work because I love it. And again, that's shade 107. Really pretty. Oh my gosh, let me see if they're sold at Sephora. Okay, they are sold at Sephora, so let's see how much this retails for. Oh my gosh, I cannot even describe just how good this feels on the lips. It feels so good. Okay, so this is a $37 lipstick. It comes in, how many shades? 13 colors. Oh my gosh, I'm 100% going to have to get more. I mean, it is so creamy. Nude Velours is my color. So yeah, sold at Sephora. I think there's 13 different shades. Retails for $37. I have got to get more because this is amazing. Okay, we have two more packages from Octoly. Thank you again to Octoly and Givenchy. Okay, next package came from Lancome, and this is the Rose Sugar Scrub. So this is a gentle exfoliating scrub, and I love their skincare line. I actually use their moisturizer every single day. Look how beautiful the packaging is, and it's like a pink scrub. See how it smells. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated on that. I'm gonna put just a little bit on the back of my hand to see how exfoliating it is. Oh yeah, it looks like there's lots of grit to it, but it's also like pretty moisturizing. It kind of feels like some lip scrubs that I have where it's like there's lots of grit in it, but it's also like moisturizing and hydrating at the same time. So very excited for that. Thank you so much to Lancome for that package and Octoly. Figured I'd just do them all back to back and show you guys. Okay, this is another one from Givenchy. And this is the Dahlia Divin. So this is their perfume. Let's look up the perfume online. Okay, so this perfume, let's see what it says about it. It's a floral fragrance. It says the dawn full of promise, a new beginning echoing the origins of time, the fragrance that captures the divine, evoking a delicate perfume of natural goddess, experiencing the blooming of a new day. The fragrance is designed around magnolia and one of the earth's flowers. Thousands of fresh jasmine and rose petals give the fragrance a sparkle that is dressed in the sensual, magnetic elegance of woods and musk. So, let's see how it smells. That all sounds wonderful, but I can't wait to smell it. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, I can already smell it through the bottle. Oh my goodness. First off, let's just take a look at the packaging. It is so luxury. It is a clear bottle with white, and then the top is crystal clear, and it has like almost like diamonds right here. The bottle itself is just gorgeous. Moment of truth here. Oh, yes. Oh, it smells so good. You guys are definitely going to have to go into Sephora and try this out. It smells really good. It's very, very fresh. Ooh, thank y'all so much for that package. Okay, so very last package came from Cover FX, and it says Powder Play on it. And let's see what they sent over. Ooh, this is the Powder Play concealers. So it is a full coverage. It says available in 30 different shades. And they sent over quite a few shades for me to try out. So I think the one all the way at the end probably looks more like me. This is the G Medium 2. I'm not sure how the shade range is as far as like the different colors. This is a very different applicator. It is a circle applicator. It's like a ball on the end. But the concealer looks really nice. It is very kind of like liquidy, but when you blend it out, it's very creamy. Ooh, I'm telling you, companies are killing it lately with the concealers. I know Cover FX, the Powder Play, their newest foundation is really, really nice. And this looks like it dries down. You might not even have to set it if you're really dry because it looks really nice on the skin. Blends in super nice. And I'm excited to try these out, you guys. Expect a first impressions makeup tutorial on all these products very soon. I'm trying to do first impression Fridays where I'm trying out new makeup, whether it be one specific product or a bunch of different products. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.